Grabovoi concentration exercises, 12th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you should concentrate on those things where you could consider creating a hole, where something is missing. If, for instance, a goose or a swan loses a feather, concentrate on what one could do so that the feather returns to its place. How could you put it back? Try to understand how you could create a unified whole or how you could recreate something lost. Or take another example. A leaf falls from a tree. What could you do to return the leaf to its former place so that the tree, together with the leaf, recovers its original state? The purpose of this concentration technique is to teach you how to assemble separated elements of reality into a unified whole that represents their normal state. Practicing this exercise helps you to acquire control over events. In this concentration session, as in many of the others, you can also take yourself as the object in the exercise. You can reconstitute any of your physical organs. A woman once came to me for advice. She underwent surgery during which her uterus had been removed. You can understand what that means to a woman. I use those very same principles and techniques that you have now learned, and this woman, again, has a properly functioning and healthy uterus. Exercise number 2, 12th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 4, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 8, 9. Exercise number 3, 12th day of the month. Unite with the world and its environment through your perception of it in your own actions, and you will discover that your deeds are that very essence of the world, which is in harmony with you always and everywhere. You will see that God, when He gave you His blessing, desired to be one with you. You should find unity where the Lord is manifesting growth and development. In growth and development lies unity with the Lord. Unity arises in every moment of your progress during divine, genuine, and creative growth and development. You progress and develop yourself in the direction of eternity. This will forever manifest your unity with the Creator in your eternal growth and development. You act and develop yourself in the direction of eternity, and this, in your progress through eternity, will be forever your unity with the Creator. Life eternal and everlasting. That is the genuine, true unity with the Creator.